In this video, I'll show you how to send crypto on MoonPay safely and step by step. First, open the MoonPay app or the partner app that uses MoonPay as a payment provider, then log in with your email. Enter the verification code from your inbox and make sure your identity verification, KYC, is completed and you already have some crypto balance available to send. On the main screen, go to your wallet, balances, or crypto section and choose the coin you want to send. For example, BTC, ETH, Rs, or USDT. Tap Send, Transfer, or Withdraw, depending on what your screen shows, and it only shows if you have balances. Now you'll need the receive address from the wallet or exchange you're sending to. In that other app, tap Receive for the same coin, copy the wallet address, and check the network. Go back to MoonPay and paste the address into the recipient field, then enter the amount of crypto you want to send. Review the network fee, total amount, and double-check the coin, address, Chase and a network, because blockchain transfers can't be reversed. When everything looks correct, tap Confirm and complete any final security checks. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.